Good day, my name is Paul Andre Natibidab from 2.2 BSHM. Today I will be um, pronouncing words from Module 1 to 4. Translate from words translated to English to Romaji. Starting from Module 1, which is non-specific time expression. From English, the day before yesterday, Romaji o totooy. Yesterday, kino. Today, kyo. Tomorrow, ashta. The day after tomorrow, asate. Every day, mainichi. This morning, kesa. This evening or tonight, konban. Every night, every morning, my bad. My asa. Every night, my ban. Last week, senshu. This week, konshu. This week, raishu. Last month, sengetsu. This month, kongetsu. This next month, raigetsu. Last year, kyonen. This year, kotoshi. Next year, rainen. Every week, maishu. Every month, my Suki. Every week, every year, my Toshi. Class, Jugyo. Meeting, Kaigi. Work, Shigoto. Deadline, Shimikiri. Vacation, Yasumi. Break or rest, Kyoki. Birthday, Otanjobi. Schedule, Yote. Project, Project Kuto. Party, Party. Exam, Shiken. Christmas, Kurisumas. Now, Ima. Next, Sugi. First, Masu. Noon, Hiro. Weekend, Shumatsu. Weekday, Heigitsu. Next is Module 2, Time and Transportation. English, International Student. Romaji, Kusei. Student, Seto. Classmate, Kurasumeto. Group, Grupo. Member, Menba. Vehicle, Norimoto. Motorcycle, Baiku. Bicycle, Jitensha. Car, Kuroma. Taxi, Takushi. Bus. Train, Densha. Subway, Shikatetsu. Bullet train, Shikansen. Ship or boat, Pune. Airplane, Hikoki. By foot or by walking, Arute. Part-time job, Arubaito. Training, Toreningu. Seminar, Semi. Conversation, Kaiwa. Assignment, Shukudai. Problem, Mondai. Round trip, Ofuku. One way, Katamichi. Next is span of time. English, 5 minutes. Romaji, Gopun. 30 minutes, Sanjupunkan. 1 minute, Ichijikan. 1 hour, Ichijikan. 3 hours, Sanjikan. 2.5 hours, nijikanhan. 1 day, ichinichikan. 10 days, tookakan. 1 week, ishukan. 2 weeks, nishukan. 1 month, ikagetsukan. 4 months, yon kagetsukan. 1 year, ichinenkan. 3 years, sanenkan. I'll be pronouncing the adjectives. Module 3, adjectives. First, the I adjectives. English, hot. Romaji, atsui. Cool, suzuki. Delicious, oishi. Expensive or very expensive, takai. Cheap or inexpensive, yasui. Warm, atatakai. Spacious, hiroi. Small, chisai. Good, i. Fast, hayai. Slow, osoi. Cold, sumetai. New, atarashi. Old or old things, furui. Spicy, karai. Sweet, amai. Few, sukunai. Many, oi. Dark, kurai. Bright, akurai. Fun or enjoyable, tanoshi. Noisy, urusai. Next, I will be pronouncing the na adjectives. First, English, quiet, romaji, shizuka. Clean, beautiful, kirei. Famous, yume. Polite, tenai. Kind, shinsensu. Convenient, benri. Lovely or nice, shuteki. Lively, nigiyaka. Free or not busy, hima. Serious, earnest, himaji. Handsome, hansamu. Inconvenience, fuben. Strong and durable jobu. Tough or difficult, taihen. Easy or simple, kantai. Lastly, I will be pronouncing the verbs starting from English, eat, romaji, tabemas. Drink, nomimas. Read, yamimas. Write, kakimas. Listen, kikimas. Speak or talk, hanashimas. Speak or see, mimimas. Buy, kaimas. Go, ikimas. Wake up, akimas. Sleep, nemas. Rest, yasumimas. Start, hajimarimas. Finish, owarimas. Work, shigoto shimasu. Cook or make, sukurimasu. Call, den washimasu. Study, benkyoshimasu. Thank you for watching.